Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've already done a review on a few of these briefly, but I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of how to use the Polar Blast, Polar Wash, Polar Seal, and this is just some random wheel cleaner that I had. But you've already seen us do it on the Mitsubishi and you've already seen us do it on various other cars, but this one I've had dropped off is minging. We'll have a look round it. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy. Wheels. As you can see, this is really thick. I'm not going to rub it because, you know, it'll scratch the paint, but it's really thick and grained. You know, that's a good rub there. And it's not coming off. So, never mind these videos where somebody's cleaning a gleaming car and saying it comes up shiny. Or try it on a proper car that's been worked up and down farm tracks and everything like that. And we'll see how well it does. I'm just going to do the same application. I'm not going to do it twice and 3 times over. We'll see how it comes up. We'll do a quick time lapse of the snow foam being applied. And there we go, that's the snow foam applied. I'm just going to leave that to dwell for a good half an hour because this car's absolutely thick with dirt. So we'll come back to it when we've done that. As you can see, it even eats into the dirt on the wheels. I might do a bit of the wheel treatment while I'm waiting and see how it goes. Remember, that's only 100ml of the product to 500ml, and that covers an Audi A6, no problem. So don't go pouring loads of the product in, you don't need it. Just going to apply the Polar Wash. So basically you're applying the shampoo to the car, so you don't need the 2-bucket method. Right, so what that basically does is, just means you've just got to have a bucket of clean water and you can clean away because the shampoo's already on the car. You don't need to let this dwell or anything. You just crack on, bucket of clean water. You just obviously do a contact wash now and then rinse it off. So I'll come back to you when I've done that. I'm just going to apply the Polar Protect now. You'll see it go on. As you can see, that goes on. As soon as it goes on, it starts to bead. So you just rinse that off as soon as possible and then dry the car down. There you go, you just spray it on, rinse it off, and you think I just didn't wax the car. Now we've just got to use a car drying towel like this. These are great, £10 off eBay. Dry the car down, be spot on. I'll come back to you when I've done that. And there we go, that's the Polar Protect put on and dried off. See how bad, if you go back to the beginning of the video and see how bad this car was at the beginning. You know, it's not showroom condition, the car. It's not in great condition to start with, like little bits here and there on it, but just for a quick Saturday afternoon wash of a car, works well, a 3-stage polar wash. If you like this kind of thing, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.